everybody, how's it going? My name is Andy Rich. I'm pretty good at impressions, and I've never done a video on it. So here are 23 impressions that I can do. Enjoy!
Hi, my name's Toad. I'm the best. Let's go. Mario.
Hiya, folks! It's great to see ya! It's me, Mickey Mouse! It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me. Where is she? Where's Rachel? Where are they? No, not the buttons! Not the gumdrop buttons! You're a monster!
I'm wearing ladies' underwear. I want to be a real boy. Jigglypuff, 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 Jigglypuff.
Psyduck. Psyduck. Psyduck.
No, that if the tables were turned, I would show you no mercy. I am evil. Stop laughing.
Is mayonnaise an instrument? How could they be dangerous? They're covered with free cheese. Another day, another migraine. There's something I've wanted to say to you since the day we met. Goodbye.
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Wazowski, you didn't file your paperwork last night. Well, isn't that nice?
King Julian, I love you, King Julian. King Julian, tra la 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 la. King Julian. Hi! Welcome to Elmo's world!
Execute Order 66. I am the Senate given to the dark side.
Wake up, Charlie! Charlie, we found a map! We found a map to Candy Mountain, Charlie! Charlie! Look at the magic on the alert on Charlie! Charlie! Charlie!